What a day for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. Getting lost on a daydream. Dreaming about my bundle of joy. And even if time ain't really on my side, it's one of those days to take a walk outside. I'm blowing the day to take a walk on the sun and fall my face on somebody's new moon lawn. Check this. Oh no, it's not visible. Look, that's a mushroom made of stone. How cool is that? Hey, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing What a Day for a Daydream by the Lovin Spoonful. Yes, Lovin Spoonful. We'll be doing it one half step lower than the original because the chords are way easier on the uke that way. If you want to play along with the original, you can just put a capo on the first fret here and play the same way that I'm about to show you right now. So grab your high G and let's see how to play this one. Alright, in the song we have just two parts. The first one starts with the chord of C. What a day for her. And then we go to A7, which you can grab like this with one finger, but honestly I prefer the three-finger version. It's the same tones, but I don't know, it sounds a little bit different and I like it this way better. But if you're a beginner, I would suggest you go with this one. Alright, and then we have D minor 7, which is like D minor, but also putting the pinky here on the 3rd fret of the A string. And then to G7. Alright, so between D minor 7 and G7, the pointing finger doesn't lift from the fretboard, it's just staying anchored there, right? And also every second chord comes a little bit earlier, so if you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the strumming I'm doing is down, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Right? What a day for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. Getting lost on a daydream. Dreaming about my bundle of joy. And here we go to part B, which has faster changing chords. F to D7, which basically just from the F, we have the E string on the 1st fret, we just press it on the 2nd fret. Alright, this is the whole change between these two chords. And then we go to C to A7. But if we count them, they're faster, right? It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So on the first one, 1 and 2 and second one, 3 and 4 and third one, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So the A7 comes just a little bit earlier, right? And I'm doing strumming something like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And here we have this G7. Alright, what's that? I'm grabbing G7 here, down, and then adding the pinky on the 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, if you can catch it. And then here, You can just play G7 throughout the whole this thing, but that's a really nice move that I think if you add it, it will sound a little bit fuller and more complete. So what's that? Grabbing on the 7th fret, barring here all the strings, and adding the middle finger on the 8th fret of the A string. Right? And even if time is really on my side, it's one of those days to take a walk outside. I'm going today to take a walk on the sun, and lay on my face in somebody's new moon lawn, yeah. And basically you just repeat these two parts. Sometimes you whistle on part A, sometimes you whistle on part B. But it will be definitely way easier to learn the whole song if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope it was helpful. It's a lovely day outside. I'm going to take a walk and I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.